Hey guys, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, welcome. Here on my channel, I upload makeup, fashion, hair, food, lifestyle, all types of content here. So if any of that interests you, I would really love for you guys to stick around. And yeah, for today's video, I have a review on these two concealers. We're going to do a wear test and compare the two a little bit to see which one, is better. This Conceal and Define Infinite by Makeup Revolution or the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I'm really excited for this video. I have missed doing makeup content here on my channel, and if you guys do like makeup content, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. I upload new videos twice a week here on my channel, and I would love for you to join the family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay guys, if you are wondering about this eye makeup look, I am actually recording an IGTV while recording this video as well. So we're just going to go ahead and hop right into everything. So for today, I'm going to be priming my face like regular because it's just concealer. I feel like I can prime my face without it being an issue. I'm going to be using, of course, the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this primer so much. I have not been able to put it down since I got it. I definitely want to try out the matte one because I do have oily skin. I think that would be really great for the summertime, but I will definitely be picking that up. If any of you guys have tried it, definitely let me know down below because I would love to try it out. And also, I just wanted to say I hope that you guys are staying safe with this, pandemic going on. I fortunately work in the healthcare field, so I still am going to work with a mask, gloves, the whole nine. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I've been posting all about it over there, and it's been quite the hectic journey with everything going on. But I hope that you guys are staying safe. Definitely let me know down below what you guys are doing to combat what's going on. Definitely sanitize your hands. Stay inside. I cannot stress that enough. Don't go out. Just, be cautious. Disinfect everything when you can. And yeah, if you have a fever, cough, or shortness of breath, don't go outside. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. So I'm just going to let these primers sit in for a little bit. And alrighty. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. This is the long wear concealer. It is crease proof with niacinamide and infinite coverage. So I have mine in the shade C12. This I think is what I have in the other concealer, the first one that came out like this, the one that like blew up the internet or whatever. So, and then for the Hydrating Camo Concealer, I have it in the shade Medium Beige. As you guys can see, they are like different colors, so I'm not going to judge it on color. I am just going to judge it on the long wearability, the coverage, and things like that. Not necessarily the color, because obviously it's just not going to match. And different brands obviously have different color concealers, so I'm not going to judge it on that. But now that we're all primed and everything, I'm going to go ahead. Should I use a sponge for this today? I think I'm going to go ahead and use a sponge. So I will be right back. I'm going to go dampen my sponges, and I will be right back. And we are back. So let's go ahead and start with this video. So I'm going to go ahead and do the e.l.f. Camo Concealer on my right side, your left side. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my regular schmegular routine. I'm not going to do foundation today, just so that we can try this out and see the coverage. So when I don't wear foundation, I usually just do it under my eyes and we'll see how the coverage is from there. I believe this is an e.l.f. sponge. I'm not sure which one it is. I will have it linked down below if I can remember, but I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so the coverage is really nice. It has like a scent to it that I'm not like too fond of. Okay, like this is blending out like a foundation, honestly. Not going to lie to you guys, like it just spread out like so nicely. And my skin has really been behaving, so I can honestly wear concealer as foundation at the moment, which I never thought I would be able to say. But I like the coverage a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. I like the coverage a lot. I'm just going to add a little bit more right under my eye just to build it up a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's really, really pretty. I find that it's covering really nicely. There's nothing crazy or like creasing a lot. It is super hydrating, I will say that. It doesn't look drying on my skin, but I also do have oily skin. So, my skin is really dry anyway. So, I'm just going to put it all over my face like to act as a foundation just because I have such, you know, dramatic eyes going on. But I really like this. It's really, really pretty. It is gathering a little bit on my nose, so that isn't great. Yeah, it's just not blending out on the crease of my nose very nicely, but I think some setting spray could possibly help with that. But so far, I'm really liking the coverage. Here's this side doesn't have any concealer, and this side does. So, what are we thinking? Makeup Revolution, and this one is 16-hour wear as well, and this one is, I think the e.l.f. ones claim to be 16 hours as well. So, okay. Alright, so as you guys can see, this color is just like a little bit different, but like I said, we're in quarantine, so I'm not going out anywhere, so I'm not really worried about the color difference. And I'm going in with this e.l.f. sponge. Okay, so right off the bat, I will say I like how the e.l.f. concealer is sitting on top of my pores more so than the Makeup Revolution one. I feel like the Makeup Revolution one is sinking into my pores and making them a lot more visible. This one on this side, my pores look a lot better. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but this side I have a lot of pores right here, and I did use the Poreless Putty Primer. So the fact that I still have pores is a little bit annoying. So that's the first difference I see. The color is actually blending out really nicely. This side of my face is just a little bit more warm, the e.l.f. side, I will say. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more, just like I did with the e.l.f. side, and just dot some more on my face. Yeah, because I can definitely tell with the Makeup Revolution side that it's sinking into my pores a lot more. Okay, yeah, so this is how we're looking with both sides done. I honestly have to say, guys, I am liking the e.l.f. side a little bit more right now, just because I feel like it looks more like skin. It looks more hydrated, more glowy. You guys can see that glow on my cheeks. This side just looks a little bit flat. It could very well be the color. The color is like not as warm as like I said as the e.l.f. side. But this side is sinking into my pores more. I feel like this side is creasing a little bit more as well. So I'm not a big fan of that. But yeah, so those are my initial thoughts. I'm going to go ahead and set my face, do the rest of my makeup for my IGTV video. Like I said, if you guys want to see this look, go ahead and head over to my Instagram to see it. But yeah, I will be back to show you guys what my face looks like once I'm all done. Alrighty guys, so here is the final look. I just went ahead, did some powder, some bronzer, some highlight, nothing crazy. Like I said, if you guys are wondering about this makeup look, head on over to my Instagram. But right now, I don't see a difference between the two concealers. Like, once I put my powder on and everything, even the issue that I was having with the pores, I still have a little bit more pores on the Makeup Revolution side than I would like. But, I mean, like, looks-wise, it's pretty much the exact same. I can't lie to you. But I am really enjoying both of these, so I'm just going to go ahead throughout my day, and I will check in with you guys throughout it. I'm not going to do like a whole 8-hour thing because it's already at 2:20 p.m. And yeah, it's just concealer, so I don't feel like it needs like a whole foundation kind of wear test. But I'm going to go ahead, probably eat some lunch because your girl's hungry as per usual. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit to see how we are holding up. Hey guys, so I'm outside walking my dog right now, and I just wanted to show you what the two concealers are looking like. They're both looking really, really good. I'm really liking the way they're looking. I don't really see a difference in wearability or anything like that. I also took off my lashes because I was just tired of that. But so far so good. I can't complain. They're both looking the same. Nothing's really changed. I don't know what time it is, honestly, but I'm really tired now. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit.